Bongbong Marcos nagsalita na laban kay Justice Marvic Leonen. Maliwanag na ang panlilinlang mo, you're biased, partisan, and prejudiced.
Marami na nag-advise sa akin na mag-file ako nitong inhibition. Sabi ko, but you must let the process go on. Pero yun na nga, because after the pandemic, nakapag-function ulit ang judiciary, wala pa rin ginawa ang si Justice Leonen para dito sa kasong ito. Tapos, nung humingi lang siya ng comments sa COMELEC at saka sa Solgen's office tungkol sa jurisdiction ng PET, at lalo na nung sinagot na siya na talagang ang jurisdiction maliwanag ang jurisdiction ng PET, ng Supreme Court sitting as a Presidential Electoral Tribunal, maliwanag that they have jurisdiction. At nagtataka na nga ang lahat, bakit pa niya tinanong yan nang maliwanag na ang jurisdiction at they've been hearing this case for 4.5 years. Why will they hear the case for 4.5 years if they don't have jurisdiction? Kaya't naging maliwanag sa akin na ang dahilan kung bakit nahiningan ng comment ay para mag-delay ulit. At imposible para sa akin na hindi niya nalalaman, isang justice ng Supreme Court, hindi nalalaman ang batas tungkol dyan. Hihingi tungkol sa jurisdiction, hihingi tungkol sa special elections. The law is quite clear. And again, the PET has been functioning as the Presidential Electoral Tribunal for 4.5 years, hearing this case. Ito lang ang kaso nila. Ang Presidential Electoral Tribunal, ito lang ang kaso na nasa harap sa kanila. And they've been hearing it for 4.5 years. Siguro, pag nagtanong ka after 4.5 years, if we have in fact jurisdiction, then that is clearly a delaying tactic. So sabi ko that's too much already because parating na tayo sa filing in October, next October, kailangan na we have to do something. Dahil very clear that Justice Leonen has prejudged this case, is hostile to me, to my family, to our entire group, if you want to call it that, and we have seen many other instances where he has expressed an opinion against the Marcoses, in me in particular, and the Marcoses in general, most of all, of course, my father. So, maliwanag na maliwanag, he's prejudiced, and that's why we had to file this.
Sir, follow-up lang po. You mentioned that yung ginagawa po ni Justice Leonen would further delay your case, but won't your filing the motion today add to that delay?
Well, put it this way. If Justice Leonen continues to sit as the justice in charge, for sure, it will be delayed. For sure. At least, pag wala na si Justice Leonen, kung mag-inhibit siya, may pag-asa na hindi na ma-delay. May pag-asang matatapos in time. Pag si Justice Leonen na naka-in charge dyan, sa aking pananaw, imposibleng matatapos ito in time. Pipilitin niya, ipipuwersa niyang abutin ang filing para maging moot and academic. Yun talagang 11 months, walang ginawa, walang sinulat, walang linabas na desisyon, walang order kahit na no, for 11 months. For 11 months. They call it 1 year. Kasi 1 year, kasi yung pag-order niya ng comment, naging 1 year na wala talagang ginawa, hindi niya pinapagalaw yung kaso.
Thank you, Tina. We'll now proceed kay Anjo of CNN. Hi, Anjo.
Hi, good morning, sirs. Yeah. Sir, I understand this isn't the first time that you sought an inhibition of a justice. You already did that kay Justice Kagiwa, but PET also denied that. Now, how confident are you that this time around that this motion of yours will prosper?
Well, it is something that we had to do. Justice Leonen left us with no choice but to do this. I did not file a protest. I did not enter into a protest to impeach or to inhibit anyone. I only filed this para lumabas ang katotohanan doon sa eleksyon. I'm not interested in these legal maneuvers. All I want is for this case to be finished before it becomes moot and academic. So, the instance with Justice Kagiwa, maybe the circumstances were slightly different, pero ito naging urgent na talaga, kaya we filed it again. And we hope that I think the the advice that is given to the justices when they are asked to inhibit is a proper self-examination of their actuations. And I hope he does that, because if he does, and if anyone else does it as well, you will see very clearly that he is biased, he is partisan, he is prejudiced.
Sir, just a follow-up. Sir, let's say Justice Leonen turns down your motion. I mean, what will be your next step? And sir, also sir, if he will inhibit and it will be referred to another justice, baka sir, baka maging perception ng iba, baka maging pattern nyo na to na pag hindi na nagugustuhan yung pamamalakad ng isang justice in charge, baka you'll again call for an inhibition.
Well, we don't call for inhibition lightly. We do this because we have it for in our view, in my view, it is very clear that the justice is, it's not because of the decisions the decisions that he's made in this case. It is because he has shown a pattern of prejudice, of bias, of partisanship, and you can see that the people that have come to his defense are all clearly on the other side of the political aisle from me. So that's that seems to explain the bias that he has exhibited over many years.
Thank you, Anjo. Siguro second round, Anjo. Next is Mike from ABS-CBN. Mike.
Let me just start my video and my audio. Hi, sir. Good morning.
We can hear you.
I have to ask this. I hope you will answer this. There have been several observations, sir, about moves to try to oust Justice Leonen, not just from the PET, but from the Supreme Court itself. The threat of quo warranto from Attorney Gadon and from Solicitor General Jose Calida, these are supporters of yours, sir. And so many people are asking, are you supporting their moves to have Justice Leonen removed from the Supreme Court through a quo warranto because of supposedly his failure to file the SALN? Can you clarify that, sir?
I cannot, because I am in no discussions with Soljan, so I don't know what his thinking is on the quo warranto case. So you will have to ask the Soljan about that. Yung kay Attorney Larry Gadon, inaawat ko nga siya. I was telling, no, wag muna until lumabas nga yung comments dito sa galing sa Comelec at saka sa Soljan, naging maliwanag na panlilinlang talagang ginagawa ni Justice Leonen. So nag-file na siya ano na siya para sa SALN. But that si Attorney Gadon, we are in touch, nagte-text kami. Although the Soljan, we have not talked about this case. We do not talk about I have my own legal team. I do not need to consult with the Soljan. Besides, he's not a supporter of mine. He is the counsel for the state, for the government. So no, I don't think that you can characterize it that way.
But is he supporting, sir, your move to have Justice Leonen inhibit from the PET? Because based on the article by Jomar Canlas in the Manila Times, the lead is that the Solicitor General and former Senator Bongbong Marcos will join forces in seeking the inhibition of Justice Leonen. So that's at least that's the first sentence.
Well, you should ask the Soljan about what his plans are. If he does, in fact, move to support our motion, then it just means that he agrees with our arguments. I think that we are moving independently, and we have come to the same conclusions.
So there's no confirmation, sir, if both camps will join forces, at least coming from you. You just wanted to confirm the term join forces.
Join forces? Well, we will see. Ano bang gagawin ni Soljan pa? Wala pa tayong nakikitang galaw kay Soljan. So you'll have, as I said, I think that question is better addressed to the Solicitor General kaysa sa amin. Meron kaming strategy, meron kaming legal theory. I'm sure meron siya iba, but hindi ko masasabi sa inyo kung ano yung kanya. Masasabi ko lang yung sa amin.
All right, sir, thank you. I have another question later for the second round.
Okay, sige, ikot tayo.
Nelson Badilla.
Yes, sir.
Hi, Nelson, please.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning,
Morning.
Senator Bongbong Marcos, and good morning, Attorney Vic Rodriguez. Nelson Badilla po, saksi ngayon. I just want to clarify, sir, assuming na your motion will be granted by the PET, particularly by Justice Leonen, then magra-raffle po para sa next justice na magiging ponente ng inyong kaso. What will happen, sir? Mangyayari doon sa tatlong probinsya doon sa Mindanao, yung ba po ay i-annul yung votes? Magkakaroon na po ba ng annulment of votes? Then afterwards, kung meron silang ganun decision, is may proclaim na po kayo based on kung ano ang kung magiging positive kung magiging pabor sa inyo ang results ng annulment of votes?
Hindi, ang matagal na namin ang inuuna namin noon pa, mula nung simula nito, 4 years ago pa lang, sinasabi natin, unahin nyo na yung pag-receive ng evidence tungkol sa aming request for annulment doon sa tatlong probinsya. So yun talagang, yun ang dinidelay dahil alam ni Justice Kagiwa, alam ni Justice Leonen na madali lang yan at maganda ang lagay ko pagka nagkaroon na ng technical examination para magkaroon ng ebidensya na dapat talaga yan ng mga boto.